So it's 2:53. Post office closes at 3. We are rushing to get them scanned in before, because it's Saturday. Yeah. So we're rushing. We brought Fit Man. Today's video is very hectic.
Go, go, go.
So we made it. Here, you take it. I'm driving.
55. It only took us 2 minutes to get the packages there, and we are on our way back.
Yes. So we actually had 5 things to ship out, 3 eBay sales, and 2 Poshmark. So we're gonna go home and actually show you guys what they were. So we're back home now. So that always is like a problem with us on Saturdays, is that our post office closes at 3. We always forget because usually they close at 5. So we had to rush and get out there. So filmed a couple clips on the phone, but now that you guys are back from that and everything, we can actually break into what we're gonna do. We had 5 sales last night, 3 of them on eBay, 2 of them on Poshmark. So we're just gonna go through and show you what they were.
So we're gonna start off with our Poshmark sales. This was one of the first ones that we had. It was a pair of old Nike leggings that I used to wear. Let's see if we can make the pictures bigger.
Yeah.
We can't. Nope.
That's okay.
Alright, but they sold for $9, so not too bad. We ended up earning $6.05 on that. So they were a pair of leggings that I wore to the death of.
Yeah, literally she wore the heck out of those.
Yes. Our second Poshmark order though was a Columbia fleece that we picked up from Goodwill for $1.
Love selling those.
So we had it listed at 18, but they offered us 14, which I didn't think was too bad. We still made $11.05 on that, so minus $1, we profited $10.05.
Not bad.
Yes.
So awesome, $10 right there. We're just kind of started out with Poshmark. We've been doing it for what, about?
Like I'd say a month and a half now.
Almost 2 months. So to have almost daily sales now, not really, no. We're having like weekly, like 2 or 3 a week, so it was really awesome to have 2 sales last night.
One day. It actually, it might seem like so far away, but it was this morning that we had these 2 sales.
Yeah, seriously.
We got 2 offers right away, and I was like, whoa, whoa! Yeah. So
really awesome that we had these 2 sales. Very thankful for that.
It was so cool. But now on to our eBay sales, which did happen last night.
Yes.
We had this Mark Anthony dress shirt.
This shirt we've had in our store for a while. As you can clearly see in the pictures, it's still on a white sheet, so who even knows when that was, but
you can see my shadow down here.
Yeah, that's really bad.
So look at that one. Hold on. Look at the shadows.
Yeah, really bad.
But this next shirt,
well, yeah, how much did we?
Yeah. So we paid $1 for that at Goodwill, and it ended up selling for $8.49. So shame on me, I didn't put it in our spreadsheet yet. Should I do that right now and show them what we do?
We'll add them all up and show you at the end.
Okay. Alright, so I don't know how much profit we made on that yet, but we picked it up for $1. It sold for $8.49, but we're happy to have it out of our inventory.
Because we were sitting on it for a while. This next shirt actually was something I found not too long ago. It was actually just a simple Gillidan t-shirt, but I wanted to test out Gillidan t-shirts with cool graphics on them because a lot of people do sell them. So we see them all the time. We found this for $1. Picked it up. It's like a Biggie Smalls cat.
In a Coogi.
Yeah, in like a Coogi sweatshirt. Like super weird, but we picked it up for $1 and it sold for $15.26. So really awesome. So pretty much with this just one, because there was like 2 or 3 I picked up that haul. One of them has sold, so far maybe you should be picking up graphic t-shirts with Gillidan. So we'll keep you updated with more of them that we have, but so far one of them has sold.
And then finally on our list we have this Brooks Brothers like polo. We found this brand recently with that cufflink shirt.
Love Brooks Brothers.
And so now we can't stop picking it up, but this one sold for $12.74, so not too bad.
Not bad at all.
Picked it up for $1 at Goodwill. We picked it up, or I think, who found it? Did you?
I think I found it, yeah.
Well, okay, so I liked it because it was purple and
it was a lavender
like
color.
Yeah, it was nice for the season, so it was pretty good.
Yeah.
Pretty good sale. We'll see after the profits.
So I know these are all really small sale items. They're just a couple t-shirts for $10, maybe a little more, but still for daily sales, we have about 3 or 4 of these a day. So for the 3 that we had today, it's not bad. We'll get the total in literally 1 second.
So in grand total on these 3 shirts from eBay, we made $32.60, and we actually profited $7.54 in shipping. So that is a total of $39.54 that we made today.
Not bad. High five. So that was our daily sale video. We hope that maybe helped you looking out for some brands maybe, because the Gillidan t-shirts with graphics, those kind of sell. And then also the Brooks Brothers shirt as well. So we hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to smash that like button. Leave a comment down below if you got any love, or just tell us your best sale today, because we really want to hear your sales, guys.
Yes.
So till tomorrow, till next video, peace guys. Go crush it.
Me? It's only because it's so far away.
So we actually realized we did not share our Poshmark sales, or like the total of profit that we made, so tell them what it is.
So I made $17.10 off of Poshmark today, which added to all of our totals was $56.74. And so our daily goals have been to make $60 a day, and actually after we shipped out 2 items, we made 2 more $10 sales.
Yeah. So
we definitely made our goal of $60 a day for today, which is awesome, and we crushed it. So props to us.
So smash that like button for us. Alright, now we'll let you go. See you guys.